Meaning of deforest.
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 Deforest. Deforest refers to the process of clearing forests or woodlands by cutting down trees and removing the vegetation. This action results in a significant decrease in the amount of forest area and can have severe ecological consequences, including soil erosion, habitat loss, and reduced biodiversity. Deforestation is a major contributor to climate change, as trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. Deforestation also contributes to increased greenhouse gas emissions through burning the cleared land and the release of stored carbon from the trees. Overall, deforestation can have serious impacts on both the environment and human societies.